inCase.study. The interactive workshop allows active participation of healthcare professionals in dealing with medical cases. A group of users gathered around the interactive touchscreen solves a case together. The participants are offered different modules, such as medical history, interactive status, images or videos of lab results, such as X-rays, ultrasound, coronography, detailed answers to questions. Questions that lead the case in different directions, like in real life. Slides spurring discussion. The cases used are prepared by experts, and participants should work on the cases on their own. The role of the moderator is to provide additional explanations, answer questions, etc. Why inCase.study? What are the advantages? This tool puts the participants into an active position. They are no longer just passive listeners of tedious lectures. They are offered problem solving in a group, individual decision making, familiarization with the diagnostics and treatment algorithms, learning with real cases. How inCase.study functions. The system manages screens individually. Thus, at any given moment, every group can be working on a different case. The number of participants for a single workshop ranges from only a few to a few hundred.